we are checking out Dade City Brewery. We got some boys here, local and from Delaware, visiting. Say hi, guys.
Hey, what's up?
We're going to have a cheers here to Dade City. This really is one of the tastiest breweries you're ever going to get to. Cheers to Dade City Brewery.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Salud. Hey, partner, you want to tell me what those ribbons up there are for?
The two on the outside are gold from the Best Florida Beer for coffee chocolate category. The bronze on the far outside is for hazy IPA. The two silvers, one's for a barrel-aged oatmeal stout with coconut. The other's for strawberry category. And then the bronze in the middle is also strawberry category from U.S. Beer Open.
How long's Dade City Brewery been around?
3 years in March.
A lot of beers?
Well over 100 batches.
Oh, that's amazing. They currently have how many on tap?
17 total right now.
Have anything for gluten-free people?
We have ciders on tap. We have guest cider and guest wine right now. We'll have a kumquat cider by Saturday. For a kumquat by Saturday.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Appreciate you, brother.
Hey guys, Ryan Freeman here from Dade City Brew House. We are a small 10-barrel brew house in the heart of downtown Dade City, boasting about 20 beers on tap. Currently we're in the fermentation room. I'm checking out our new cider. We're getting ready for the Kumquat Festival. Over there we have our brew system, Premier Stainless, as we made that for us. Phenomenal stuff over here. And then as you come over here, we've been to where we make a bunch of our lagers, but we're not just all ales, we do lagers as well, double stack lager tank from ABS. And then it opens up into our rest of the brewery, you could say, and where we have our keg washer, canning line, our raw ingredients, our mill, and as well as our keg storage. So that's the whole thing. Hopefully we'll see you guys here.
Hey, I'm Carlos at Uncle Fatty's. We do burgers here, sandwiches, bowls, wings, anything to feed the crew over here at the Dade City Brew House. Come out, try us.
Visit Dade City Brew House today. Enjoy Monday trivia and Friday live music. Don't forget to join their rewards program. Looking to buy or sell a home with a realtor? Call Jason Patino at 727-722-8922 or email him at JasonKnowsFlorida@gmail.com.